Okay, so we are going to start something new in Java. This is something in the Java Advanced course, and you are going to know about multi-threading. What is multi-threading? Multi-threading is basically dividing your task into different smaller tasks. So you know what is a process. So now process can be divided into multiple sub-processes, which we can aptly call our threads. Now these threads can run individually and carry out a single task. So that basically makes your program run faster. It processes it faster. So if you are having a hard code game or a very high processing application, so in that place you can use threads where your process will be divided into sub processes, and you don't have to run your entire process at a time, so that your processor can process it. There are a lot of processes here. So in simple words, your processing becomes faster, and using the multi-threading concept, you will make application run faster. So for this multi-threading, I would like to use a special IDE again, and I don't like to use NetBeans because Eclipse has certain other features. So I am downloading Eclipse here. So on when you click download, you get this file, and once you have the file, I double clicked it, and you get this uh, place. So I'll click Eclipse IDE for Java developer. You have different versions here. Okay, so it says product version Neon, which is the latest version, and I have selected 64-bit. Okay, and then it is asking like, give me the place where you have installed my Java. Okay, and I'll just go back and just check like, okay, it says like this is the place you want to put the installation in. Like, okay, fine, and go install. And it's installer, web installer, so it will install. All right, so it has now finished the installation. Now for your, the thing is created right now. So once it is installed, I'll just say that like for Eclipse, um, I'm using Eclipse because I find it easier to do multi-threading application because there are a lot of overriding of methods. So in this case, we need something simplify our process of overriding the thing. So we have lots of shortcuts and all. So it doesn't mean that we cannot use NetBeans for multi-threading. Yes, you can use any IDE which you are most comfortable with. So in this case, I am more comfortable with Eclipse in Java, and that makes multi-threading easier because of the said reason. So let's see. Uh, Click launch. Okay, yeah, it's pretty nice logo. Eclipse Neon Point One, the last one being Mars. So yeah, the latest release, I guess. Now Eclipse has various versions. Now, yeah, so we have this thing. You have to always give this as the directory. So what I'll say that I'll just keep it as use this as a default, and don't ask me again because I don't like things to be asked so many times. So yeah, you specify your workspace wherever you want it. In this place, all your projects will be saved. So anytime you want to take your project away to some other place, then you go to this location right here, and then you can access all your projects, which will be in folders. So it says it detected some older version. So I had Eclipse. So he says that, are you sure to continue? I say, yeah, okay. Let's see. So it is loading the entire thing, and in my opinion, like Eclipse was actually made for Java. Then it was developed for C++. And one cool fact is that Android also started on Eclipse. So the Android IDE Earlier was actually Eclipse before we got Android Studio, which was a Google thing. So Eclipse was very popular for Android developers as well, because the best thing about Eclipse is it can be customized for a type of languages. Okay, so I have different types of programs here already. I have Hadoop, I have multi-threading. So we'll explore on most of them because all were there in my workspace earlier. So see you in the next session. Bye.